Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you how I make beans flour without blender. Beans powder for your akara and moi-moi. No lumps, smooth, soft beans flour without blender. Keep watching and see how I make this beans powder, homemade beans powder without blender. Let's dive into it, everyone. So to make this, I need 3 cups of black eye beans. It is selected, no stone. Next, I will add water to fill the bowl. And once you add the water, you notice some bad one flows. Please take them out and allow it to soak for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the quantity of beans flour you want to make. So these are the bad ones. Next, after 10 minutes, you notice that the beans swells up and the skin begins to peel off easily. So I will take my time to peel this peel off the skin with my hands. You could use blender to peel it off, but I choose to use my hand because after blending I will still have to use hand to wash it off. So after washing it off, the next thing is to gently add enough water and rinse. Allows the skin to flow and then rinse it off. I will do this repeatedly at least for 3 times. And after that, our beans is perfectly clean. Next, I will transfer it into a strainer to allow the water to drain. Keep watching. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, share my videos to your friends and families, and subscribe to my channel. So after it drains, the next thing I will do is to transfer it into a clean pan, exactly what you see on the screen. Here it is very sunny. You even notice my shadow on floor, so I will allow it to dry outside. Natural drying. I love to dry it outside because it's really sunny. The weather is super dry, so I'm going to allow this to dry for 6 to 7 hours. Do this depending on your weather. You can also use air fryer to dry yours. So after 3 minutes, you notice our beans is almost dried. After 6 to 7 hours, everyone, 6 to 7 hours, everyone. I notice it says 6 to 7 minutes. Please, that is 7 hours. And after that, the beans is ready. I'll be taking it to blender. I'll be taking it to local engine, everyone. Remember, I did not use blender. I want it to be super smooth. So here, I took it to a local market and see how they turn the local engine on. I have to just catch on this part, everyone. So she will be blending it super smooth without lumps. Blend until there is no lumps. You could use a good blender if you have a very good one at home to blend this. Make sure it is super smooth. Powdered homemade beans powder. There's no lumps. It's super smooth on my hands, everyone. So this is how I make my homemade beans powder for akara and moi-moi. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and share my videos to your friends and families, everyone. Alright, for more yummy recipes, don't forget to click the links in the description box. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video, and bye for now.